In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download ChatGPT as a desktop app on your Windows PC. First, we want to open up the ChatGPT website. I will have a link in the description down below. What you want to do is go to the top right on Chrome browser and click on the menu icon right there. Then, you want to go down to where it says Save and Share and click on Create Shortcut. You will see a small window pop up, and which will prompt you to name it. I'm going to name the shortcut ChatGPT and check the box that says Open as Window. Let's go ahead and create it. Now, you'll notice a couple of things. First of all, this ChatGPT is in its own window, and we also have this ChatGPT app icon on our taskbar. If I go ahead and pin this on your taskbar and exit out of this window, when I open up the ChatGPT app, it opens up as its own window, kind of like a desktop app. This also creates a shortcut on our desktop. So, if I just open up this shortcut, it's going to open up this app on our desktop. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.